How to install Avast Antivirus on Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So first you want to open up your browser and head to avast.com, and then there is a free version of the antivirus. You want to click on free download right here and wait for the download to start. Once the download starts, you want to run the setup online installer by clicking on open, and this should load the installer and automatically start downloading the Avast Antivirus. And then you can uncheck this if you don't want to install the secure web browser, and then hit the install button to start downloading and installing the actual software. Now once you're done, you will need to basically start it up, or it should start automatically and ask you to do a first scan for your computer, which you can scan or cancel and do it later if you want to. And once you cancel it, you should have the kind of home page of the Avast Antivirus application. And from here, you can basically see the status of your computer and see what's suggested to be turned on. And you can also go to the Scam Guardian and enable all of these protection features. Some of them might require you to get the premium version of the software, and you can also do scans and virus scans using the free version as well. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.